Good evening, everyone. Now it's the last destination of today, and now I'm standing in front of Lauterbrunnen. So this place is running well. If I translate directly from German to English, and this place is very famous for waterfall. And I'm just standing in front of this waterfall, and they have a Swiss flag, and this is pride of Switzerland. And if you Google Lauterbrunnen, this is a typical landscape that you can see. But I can see the water is very little, less than usual. Last time when I saw it some years ago, it was like 10 times more. And it was very forceful and covering all here. When I stand here, I could see this water vapor. So what is special here? It's very much cliff all around this area, and there are green area where cows are, and there are rocks, and in the rocks there are many waterfalls. And I really strongly recommend this place for hiking. And if you also take a gondola to Muren, where you cannot drive, and that's spectacular village where you can see the Alps, or the snow is covered on the top, and you can see directly from the restaurant of the hotel, and whole village is so beautiful. So this was all for today, and with this I wish you a wonderful Sunday night. Bye!